real-time monitoring of manufacturing lines with IoT devices, automation of manufacturing processes with data management, optimization of supply chains, and cost reduction through unmanned operations. The OT environment, which has long been considered a closed environment, is now becoming an open environment through the introduction of IoT devices and convergence with IT environments. This means that equipment and facilities that have been operating in OT environments for more than 10 years are no longer immune to cyber risks. Hello, my name is Yohei Shihara, and I'm a security evangelist at Trend Micro. Today, let's take a closer look at assets that are legacy in the OT environment but can be cybersecurity blind spots. Trend Micro has conducted a series of studies specific to OT environments to identify the risks that arise as a result of the shift to smarter technology. In 2020, we collaborated with Politecnico di Milano to demonstrate that MES, industrial application stores, and IoT device libraries are new risk points by actually launching cyber attacks on smart manufacturing lines. In the same year, our actual equipment testing by 5 major manufacturers revealed exploitable vulnerabilities in industrial protocol gateways, which are essential to IT-OT convergence. And in 2022, we conducted a demonstration study using an environment simulating a steel mill to present the cybersecurity risks of core networks in a private 5G environment. Thus, as OT environments are connected to the network, assets that were not previously recognized as a risk point may come to light. Having identified blind spots in OT environments, Trend Micro Research next turned its attention to CNC, computer numerical control machines. A staple on the factory floor, CNC machines are one of the core pieces of equipment that support factory productivity, capable of machining complex shapes at high speed and with high precision. Typical industries that employ CNC are the aerospace, automotive, and medical device industries, all of which require high quality and high volume production capacity. CNC is computerized and numerical control of machine movements, so it goes without saying that high integrity and availability are required. In addition, also not widely known, CNC machines are a treasure trove of confidential business information. Even if the same CNC machines is used, the quality of the product depends on how it's operated. It is the recipe information that defines the movement. Recipe information is an important trade secret to ensure competitive advantage. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability are all required on CNC machines, but we find few researches on cybersecurity. This is despite the fact that many CNC machines are running Windows. The majority of cyber attacks that damage OT environments involves intrusion and attacks from IT systems. Not only are IT and OT networks interoperable, but OT assets such as CNC are deeply embedded with IT technology, requiring cybersecurity that integrates IT and OT technology domains. Take another inventory of assets that may be blind spots and conduct a risk assessment that straddles the IT and OT domains. For more information on our security research on CNC, please visit trendmicro.com. At Trend Micro, we do cybersecurity to accelerate you.